Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do some unboxings for the final 2020 Record Store Day drop. This is drop number 3. These are the 3 Austin Powers soundtracks. All 3 Austin Powers soundtracks are actually coming out on this Record Store Day drop. We've got Austin Powers, we've got Austin Powers, The Spy Who Shagged Me, and Austin Powers Goldmember. As a teenager, these were probably my favorite movies growing up in the 90s. I thought they were hilarious. I remember when Austin Powers came out, the first movie. I was in high school. People were going around with the signature Mike Myers catchphrases. Very memorable. But, you know, and they're actually pretty solid soundtracks. You know, the Quincy Jones, Soul Bossa Nova. Fantastic. Was the Austin Powers theme song. But yeah, let's start with the first soundtrack, and we'll work our way down. So these actually, I think, were scheduled originally to come out in 2019. They're all dated. Well, that's dated 2020. These are dated 2019. I think I remember seeing these on a Record Store Day list a year or so ago, and they were possibly canceled, if our memory serves me correct. Of course, things could be blurring together now with COVID. Okay, so nothing on the inside. Plain white paper sleeves. Slightly warped. This is on orange vinyl, nothing major, but it's got a little wave to it. Vinyl looks really, really clean. Yeah. No scuffing or scratching from this horrible paper sleeve that I'll have to quickly replace. Second disc is pink vinyl. But yeah, that's pretty simple, I guess. Not much to it. 2 discs and a jacket. Let's move on to the second movie. So here we have Heather Graham on the back of this one. Now this actually comes with an advertisement. Warner Records, The Sound of Movies. Actually, we have the, this one has an insert. I guess they figured since you were only getting 1 record, they would splurge for the insert. All right, let's take a look at the vinyl. This is on, what do they call the color of this vinyl? Transparent tan vinyl. The vinyl doesn't look bad. This looks like it was actually pressed at a different plant. That is slightly warped. But yeah, paper sleeve, you know, generic paper sleeve. But this actually has Madonna's Beautiful Stranger on it, as noted by the hype sticker. And we have Goldmember. This is press on gold vinyl, you would assume, right? Same insert from the last record. I don't know why they gave you an insert on this, but they didn't give you an insert on the first movie. All right, let's check out the vinyl. Gold vinyl. And this one is slightly warped as well. So we've hit the trifecta here. I think out of all the Record Store Day unboxings that I've done for 2020, I don't think I've actually hit a warped record. But all three Austin Powers records are slightly warped. But yeah. Actually, some of these I'd like to see. You know, I don't know if all of these are out yet, but 51st Dates, Outside Providence just came out for a Rocktober. Kill Bill, Soundtrack to Heat. So maybe some of this Dick Tracy. I'm assuming some of this is kind of a what's to come. But yeah, Austin Powers 1, 2, and 3. All this stuff can be purchased online at 1 o'clock Eastern Time on the third Record Store Day drop. All right, guys, until next time.